शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। नद अव्यक्ते शब्दे नद is the form of the dhatu in the dhatu patha, in the upadesha. Then there is a sutra, no naha, nakara, which is at the beginning of a dhatu, changes into na. नकारस्य स्थाने नकारः आदेशो भवति. There are so many nopadesha dhatus. Most of the dhatus which are generally conceived as nakara adi are basically nopadesha dhatus. Only a few dhatus are exceptions. They are given in this list. Nopadeshastu ityadi. Anardha, nati, nath, nadh, nanda, nakka, nritaha. The roots which are not nopadesha, they are listed here. That means all other nakaradi dhatus are basically nopadesha. Means in the upadesha, they have nakara in the beginning. Therefore, they are called nopadeshaha dhatavaha. Nopadesha dhatavaha. Nopadesha dhatavaha. So this word nopadesha is used by Panini to refer to the roots which begin with the na in the dhatu patha. So now we have to look into the next sutra. Upasargat asamasepi nopadeshasya. Eight, 14. Yeah. Upasargat asamase api nopadeshasya. Anuvritti. Yeah.
Upasargat.
Yeah. Sorry, not upadeshat, it is upasargat. Upasargat. Upasargat asamasepi nopadeshasya. Rashabhyam naha naha अट्कुप्वाङ्नुं व्यवायेऽपि. Upasargat should be converted into upasargasthat, present in the upasarga, and it will connect with the rashabhyam 5-2 panchami dvivachana. Therefore upasargasthabhyam rashabhyam 5-2 parasya nopadeshasya naha, the nakara which belongs to nopadesha dhatu, sthani naha adeshah. Asamase api. Yeah. So, yeah. Atkupvangnum vyavaye api. Upasargasthabhyam rashabhyam parasya. So, this is a Natva Sutra. You know other sutras. We have already seen 3 sutras dealing with the Natva. What are the 3 sutras? Huh? No, not Nona. No, in this Natva, the sutras which convert Nakara into Nakara. Rashabhyam Nona Samana Pade. Rashabhyam no Naha Samana Pade. So, yeah. Then Atkupvangnam Vyavayepi. Then one more we have seen recently, just 2 weeks back. That long sutra. Nergada nada pata pada ghuma syati anti yati vati drati psati vahati shamyati chinoti degdhishu cha. Anybody has remembered? Raji? Okay. So those are the sutras we have seen regarding Natva. Now this is one more sutra in the same section. So Upasargasthabhyam rashabhyam parasya. If the Repa and Shakara are there in the Upasarga, then after that, if there is a Na following the Repa or Shakara which is there in the Upasarga, if there is a Nakara which belongs to Nopadesha Dhatu, Nopadeshasya Nakarasya, Sthane Naha Adeshah Bhavati. So clear. Asamase api. Asamase api means this rule will apply whether the Upasarga and the Nakara, they are present in a samasa or whether they are not present in a samasa. In both cases, it will work. Asamase api means samase api, asamase api. In samasa also, in asamasa also. Atkupvangnam vyavaye api. And this will work even if the nimitta and naimittika are intervened by at kup etc. At kupu etc. Yeah. Read the sutra. Upasargada samasepi nopadeshasya upasargasthat nimittat parasya nopadeshasya dhatoho nasya naha. Upasargasthat nimittat. I have written Rashabhyam. So Rashabhyam is the nimitta. Ra, Repha and Shakara are the nimitta. Therefore Vardaraja writes Rashabhyam nimittat. Upasargasthat nimittat. Parasya. Following that. Nopadeshasya dhatoho nasya. The nakara which belongs to a nopadesha dhatu, tasya naha, tasya sthane nakaraha adesho bhavati ityarthaha. So the example, so he has not discussed this part, asamase api. Yeah, he thinks it is not very important now. Asamase api. It is there. Upasargat asamase api. Means whether it is in samasa or asamasa. So, even if it is not told, it's fine. Because it doesn't matter whether it is in samasa or not. Yeah. So, nada dhatu, nada avyakte shabde, nada dhatu, nada avyakte shabde. So, no naha, we get nad. Now, lat. In the place of lat, latasti badayaha, then shap, etc., we get nadati. I am not going into the details. You know how to arrive at nadati. Now, suppose there is a upasarga, pra-upasarga, pra-nadati, pra-nadati. This is a different pada, pra. This is another pada. These are two different padas. Upasarga is a different pada. I have discussed this before. So, therefore, by atkupvangnam vyavayepi, we cannot get natva here because it is samana pade. Rashabhyam known as samana pade atkupvangnam vyavayepi. This is not samana pada. Therefore, we need another sutra to make natva here. What is that sutra? Upasargat asamasepi nopadeshasya. So, there is a upasargastha nimitta. There is a repha here. Upasargastha repha. That is the nimitta. And it is followed by a nakara, which is a nopade, which is a nopadesha dhatu. The nakara belongs to a nopadesha dhatu. Because this nada dhatu, it is nopadesha. Therefore, upasargat asamase api. Is this samasa? This is not samasa. A tinganta cannot be made into a samasa. Samasa is always between subantas. In fact, this is a subanta. Pra is a subanta. Can you see the sup here? Huh? Huh? Yeah, pra plus sup. Sup. I add su. Then what happens? Avyayad apsupaha. There is a sutra, avyayad apsupaha. Pra is an avyaya. Pra being an avyaya, the sup gets luk. Supaha, luk. Sup is elided. Therefore, pra is basically a subanta. All avyayas are subanta, but you cannot see the sup. So there are only two padas. What are the two padas? Subantam, tingantam. Avyayas are subantas. So now pra nadati. Pra is pra is a subanta and nadati is a tinganta. Is samasa possible? Samasa is not possible because sahasupa, all samasas are sup. Then only samasa is possible. There is no samasa with tinganta. So upasarga and tinganta, they are separate, two independent entities, but they are always together because there is a rule. Upasarga should be always preceding, not kriya. Upasarga kriya yoge is a sanya sutra. What says, who says upasarga should be always preceding dhatu? Te pragdhatoho. Te pragdhatoho. They should be always before dhatu. That is why we always write upasarga and dhatu together. Because of the rule te pragdhatoho. You should always accompany the dhatu before dhatu. Otherwise it could have been anywhere. In fact, in Vedas, chandasi parepi vyavahitascha. In Vedas it can be anywhere. So, pra nadati are two different padas. And it is not samasa also. Therefore, he has said asamase api. Even if it is not samasta, then this upasarga nimitta converts this nakara into nakara. Therefore, we get pranadati. Pranadati. Now, let me ask another question. There is pra upasarga, then there is ni upasarga, then nadati. What will happen? Pra ni nadati. Huh? Is there scope for this sutra? Upasargad asamasepi nopadeshasya. Will it work? No. Will upasargad asamasepi nopadeshasya work here? Huh? Yes. Okay. What is the nimitta? Repa is the nimitta. It is here. Which is the naimittika? The sthani. Sthani, not naimittika. Sthani. This is sthani. This is nimitta, this is sthani. Now, what are the intervening letters between nimitta and sthani?
Na.
Huh?
Pakara. Pavarga.
Yeah, there is e, nakara. Yeah, nakara is allowed at Kuppangnumyava AP. Nakara is not allowed. So, yeah. Therefore, upasargada samasepi nopadeshasya cannot work here. It will not work. Upasargada samasepi nopadeshasya will not work. Therefore, this will remain na only. Yeah. Now, can any other sutra work here? What sutra? Ner, gada, nada, pata, pada.
Those list of them.
Yeah, nada is there. Ner, gada, nada. Yeah. So what happens? Ni. This is ne, ni. So what does that sutra mean? The ni upasarga, which precedes gada, nada, etc. These particular dhatus. Then the nakara of the ni can change into nakara if there is a nimitta in the preceding upasarga. So this pra is a preceding upasarga to ni. So, and nada dhatu is here. Gada, nada. Second is nada. Therefore, this ni, the na of this ni will become na. Therefore, so it is not example for upasargada samasepi nopadeshasya. It is example for ner gada nada ityadi. Ner gada nada pata pada. Yeah, you can write full. I have written only 2. Yeah, 8, 4. Yeah. So it will become praninadati. Praninadati. Yeah. Meaning makes a sound well. Makes sound well. See, he has given all these. Pranadati, praninadati. Yeah, see here in the footnote he has given atra ner gada iti natva. Here natva is because people may otherwise think here natva has happened because of upasargada samasepi. It is not so. Therefore, Tippani has clarified. Nadati. So, lat form is nadati. We have seen. Now, lit form. For lit, we need 2 sutras. Lit prathama purusha ekavachanam is simple. Nada plus lit. Nada plus tip. And parasmai padanam nalatusus thalathusa nalvamaha iti in the place of tip nal. Nad plus nal. Null is a. Nad plus a. A is nit. Anyway, that we'll consider later. So nad, there is a doubling. So nad, yeah, liti dhatu or anabhyasasya. Now, yeah, this haraswaha haladisheshaha. So na, nad, a, na, nad, a. Yeah, now ata upadhayaha. Ata upadhayaha. This a gets vriddhi. Nanad. It will become nanada. Nanada. Nanada dhakkam. Nava panchavaram. Nanada. So for Prathama Purusha Dvivachana form of lit, we need the following sutra. Ata ekahal madhyenadeशादेर्लिटि अत एकहल मध्येनादेशादेर्लिटि अत एकहल मध्ये अनादेशादेः लिटि. Number 120. Okay. Anuvritti. Eighth. No, how will not come. How is written there? Huh? How will not come there all the way? It will come just maybe the next sutra. It won't come here. So, niti is not needed. Abhyasa lopa. Cha. I think that is enough. Kiti is there. Yeah, kiti. Kniti, from there only kiti will come. Yeah. Kiti. Sorry, angasya kiti. Niti, from there kiti alone will come. Niti is not needed. Kniti, kiti as well as niti is there, only kiti will come. Yeah. Here, liti has to be used twice Liti, liti. Liti should connect twice. लिटि अनादेशादेः अङ्गस्य एकहल् मध्ये अतः स्थाने एत् आदेशः अभ्यासलोपश्च च किति लिटि. Once again लिटि. किति लिटि परे. Yeah. So there are two words which we have to see samasa. There are two samasas in the sutra. One is ekahal madhye. So in the compound, in the samasa ekahal madhye, the word eka means single. Eka does not mean one. Eka means single. What does single mean? Yeah, one without another accompany, another companion. So married or single, what does single mean? There is no another person with you. So similarly here eka means single. Asahayaha ityarthaha. Asahaya means there is no companion. That means a hull which is not accompanied by another hull, which is not accompanied by another hull. That kind of a hull is called eka hull. Means it is not conjunct. That is the idea. It should not be conjunct. There should not be another hull after or before this hull. That is eka hull. So ekahal madhye means it is between two ekahals. Ekahaloho madhye. Ekaha asahayaha hal ekahal. And eka asahaya hal is called ekahal. Ekahaloho madhye is ekahal madhya. Ekayoho haloho madhye. That which is present between two single hulls is called ekahal madhya. Ekayoho haloho madhye. That which is present between two single hulls. So ekahal madhye ataha. एकहल मध्ये स्थितस्य अतः. So ekahal madhye atah means the at means akara, hraswa tapara karana. So the a is between two single hulls, means a should not be preceded or followed by a sanyoga. That is the idea. There are two hulls. There is one hull before a, another hull before a, and neither of the hulls should be sanyoga. So that is the idea of ekahal madhye. Ekayoho haloho madhye. Between two hulls. It's not bahuvrihi. It is shashti tat purusha. Ekayoho haloho madhye. Ekaha hal ekahal. Ekahaloho madhye ekahal madhye. Tat purusha. Then there is another anadeshadehe. Yeah. Adeshaha adihi yasya saha adeshadihi na adeshadihi anadeshadihi. Yeah, tasya anadeshadehi. Adesha should not be there in the beginning of the anga. It is adjective to anga. Adesha should not be there in the beginning of the anga. Then it is anadeshadi anga. But then there is a liti anadeshadehe. That means there can be adesha, but the adesha should not be caused by lit. It should not be lin nimitta adesha. Therefore, Varadaraja will say, lin nimittadeshadikam na bhavati yadangam. The anga which is not beginning with an adesha caused by lit. It is liti anadeshadehe. Angasya. So sometimes the anga will begin with an adesha caused by lit. For example, babhuva. The ba is adi of the anga. Babhuva. See, babhuva. Babhuva. This was the condition. This is anga, this is pratyaya. Here this ba is adi of this anga. And the adi is adeshadi. Adi is adesha. Therefore it is adeshadi anga. And this adesha is caused by lit. This lit. Therefore it is linnimitta adeshadi anga. That kind of anga should not be taken. Therefore anadeshadehe angasya. So ekahal madhye ataha. And the anga should have an akara. And the akara should be between two hulls. And the two hulls should be single. Both the hulls should be single, not married. So then, in the place of that at, et adesha happens. Et means ekara with the tapara. So a adesha happens. And not only a adesha, one more thing happens. Abhyasa lopa. The abhyasa portion disappears. The whole abhyasa portion disappears. What is abhyasa portion? Yeah, the doubled, the first portion in a doubled thing. Yeah, purvaha abhyasa. Abhyasa goes away. Only the second one remains. Kiti liti pare. When does it happen? Kiti liti pare. When a kit lit follows. A lit which is kit follows. So let me repeat the conditions. The anga should not begin with an adesha. The first letter is generally a consonant here. The first letter should not begin with, should not be an adesha caused by lit. That is first condition. Then the anga should have an akara, and the akara should be between two hulls, and the two hulls should be asahaya, eka, single. Then two things happen. When these conditions are fulfilled, and of course it is followed by kit lit, then two things happen. Two karyas happen simultaneously. One is akara is replaced by a. Number two, abhyasa lopa. Yeah. See the book. Ata ekahal madhyenaadeshaderliti. अत एकहल मध्येनादेशादेर्लिटि. Not anadesha. When we read together, we should read continuously. Madhyenaadeshaderliti. अत एकहल मध्येनादेशादेर्लिटि. Yeah, then you can split it. Ataha ekahal madhye anadeshadehe liti. Yeah, one is samhita patha. Samhita patha means you read without breaking the sandhi. Then you have to do pada patha. Each pada you read. Pratipada patha. So, ataha ekahal madhye anadeshadehe liti. So, samhita patha and pada patha. Lin nimittadeshadikam न भवति यदंगम तदवयवस्य असंयुक्त हल मध्यस्थस्य अतः एत्वम् अभ्यासलोपश्च किति लिटि. लिन्निमित्तादेशादिकं न भवति यदंगम. This is one condition. The anga should not be beginning with the adesha caused by lit. It can begin with an adesha, but it should not begin with an adesha caused by lit. Tadavayavasya. Tadavayavasya means tadrisha angasya avayavasya. Asanyukta hal madhyasthasya. See, ekahal. He made it into asanyukta hal. Ekahal means asanyukta hal. A hal which is not sanyukta means a hal which is not a part of a sanyoga. Sanyukta means a hal which is a part of a sanyoga. Asanyukta hal madhyasthasya. It should be between two hulls which are not sanyukta hal. Ataha etvam. Ataha sthane e adeshaha. Et adeshaha. And abhyasa lopascha. And abhyasa lopa also happens when kiti liti pare, when kit lit follows. So simple. See, the importance of this sutra you will know now. So otherwise, see, this sutra will make lit very simple for you. Otherwise, you are wondering, nanada nedatuhu neduhu, how it happens? This will answer. See, nada plus atus. So tas lit. So we are looking into Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. So atus. Tas will become atus. Nalatusus, etc. Atus. So now we have seen a sutra. What is the sutra? Asanyogat lit kit. Asanyogat lit kit. What does it say?
Lit kitsya.
Read again. Asanyogat.
Parobi. Parahapi. Lit kitsya.
Not api lit. Something you are missing in between.
Paropi. Asanyogat paropi.
Apit.
Apit lit.
Not api. Apit lit. Read
Apit.
properly.
Asanyogat para. Apit lit.
Asanyogat paraha.
Paraha.
Apit lit kit syat. Yeah. So this is a lit. Lit. And the lit should be apit. It should be apit lit. That is why we didn't take the first one, null. Null is pit. It is pit. How it is pit? Because it has come in the place of tip. Since it has come in the place of tip, because of sthanivadadesho null vidhau, this is pit. Therefore, prathama ekavachana, the ekavachana is not kit, because it is not apit, it is pit. So all other pratyayas will become kit by asanyogat lit kit. So it is apit lit, and it is not preceded by a sanyoga. Dakara is not in a sanyoga, it is asanyoga. Therefore, asanyoga lit kit. Lit kit. By this sutra, this is kit. What kind of sutra is this? What kind of sutra? Atidesha sutra. Yeah. So nad plus atus kit. So now let us first we have to process other things. The doubling will happen. Abhyasa. Yeah. What is the sutra? Liti dhatoranabhyasasya. Liti dhatoranabhyasasya iti dvitvam. Dvitva will happen. Nad plus atus. Now abhyasa karya. What will happen? Haladi sheshaha. Na nad atus. This much you have to do. Now, this what is it? Ata ekahal madhyena deshader liti. अत एकहल मध्येनादेशादेर liti will work now, because see, there is a which is the anga here now? What is the anga? This much is the anga, because that much is preceding the pratyaya. It is anga. Na nad. This is anga. This anga, is it sanyog? Is it lin nimitta adeshadi? Huh? Is it lin nimitta adesha adi? What is the first letter? Nakara. Is nakara adesha? It is not adesha. It is not adesha. Na is not adesha. It is original na. It has remained as it is. It is not adesha. Huh?
But the doubling is due to lit.
No, doubling is has happened. Ekasya sthane dvihi. But in the place of adi, na, this na has not been replaced by anything. In fact, na is an adesha. How it is an adesha? No naha is adesha.
But not due to lit.
Yeah, it is not due to lit. Yeah. Adesha has happened in the place of one, two adesha has happened. That is different. But in the place of nakara, no adesha has happened because of lit. Unlike in bhavati, babhuva, in the place of ba has come. Or in jagada, gada, ga, in the place of ga, ja has come. But here nothing has come. Na has remained na when lit came. So therefore it is not lin nimitta adeshadi, this anga. And this anga has an akara. This anga has an akara which is preceded and followed by single hal, asanyukta hal, asahaya hal. Na is also single hal, dakara, nakara also is single hal, dakara is also single hal. See, if I write this, nakara, akara, nakara, akara, dakara. See, this is preceded and followed by single hals. Not this also, but this one. This is preceded and followed by single hal. This also is preceded and followed by single hal. It is also true, both as. But we will take this Why? Because it is closer to the nimitta. Whatever is closer to the nimitta will be taken. Here atus is the nimitta because it is the kit lit, kiti liti pare. So there is an akara which is preceded, which is flanked between two asanyukta hals. So now what will happen? Abhyasa lopa. What is the abhyasa portion? This portion is abhyasa, nakara and akara. This will go. And a becomes a. This a becomes a. So it will become ned plus atus. Ned plus atus. Nedatus. Rutva visargau nedatuhu. Nedatuhu. Yeah. Nanada nedatu. And us, nad plus us. Us is also kitlit because it is apitlit followed by a sanyoga. It is not followed by sanyoga. Sorry, not preceded by sanyoga. Therefore, na, nad, us, and yeah, ned becomes ned plus us. It will become neduhu. Nanada nedatuhu neduhu. Dundubhayaha neduhu. Vineduhu. Vineduhu. Dundubhis. They Vineduhu. They made sound. Dundubhayo Vineduhu. There is a neduhu there. I don't think. So in Raghuvamsham and all you will find such usages. Vineduhu, etc. will come. Yeah. So, okay, we'll continue next week. Vrittavasane natarajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shivasutrajalam.